Real Thunder Bay weather. Snowstorm till 3 p.m. 30 centimeter of snow will be dumping.
Half dumped already.
Half dump. So today I'm not driving because I'm scared. My husband is a good driver. So. I'll show you how the road looks like. But now it's clean. Earlier it's not being cleaned, you know. You hardly see
This
nothing.
is not clean. Here.
Yeah, here, look. Imagine you will drive here with an unclean road. So my crescent now will be so bad.
School buses cancelled. Schools cancelled.
Some schools are cancelled, but not Marisol School. Holy Family. Look at this. See how dangerous it is? Look, this one can't drive anymore. Got stuck or what?
Who knows what?
Or waiting for someone to come out from that building. Life goes on with snowstorm.
See. Very joyful place to live in.
Yeah. So if you wanna come to Canada, forget about it. So Canada is the coldest country in the world, man. You see how nasty it is? Like driving on sands. But sand's not slippery, but this one really is slippery. That's how bad the road condition. Look how thick is the snow on the side. Very thick. So you think life here abroad is very nice, right? You got that wrong.
6 months of suffering.
Yeah, 6 months of suffering, winter.
Another 6 preparing for suffering.
Yeah. Will show everyone how bad the road conditions are. And my husband's using 4-wheel drive. Or else your car will be dancing.
Show me now area. Instead.
No. 2x4 4x4. Look at that. Somebody cleaned it. The government finally. Look. How bad is this now?
Try to go through this ridge
Oh
now.
yeah, look, there's a ridge now. Why can't one go on the other side to clean, you know? Now we see some government cleaning it. But earlier, nothing. So this is my stress in winter time. I don't mind the snow, right? But not on the road. causes me white hair already for 6 months of suffering driving, you know. Look at that. I don't even know if you can. See, one part is clean, the other is not.
And under the snow is ice.
Yeah. That's why it's so slippery, because underneath it rained last Friday, so there's ice underneath. We'll show you guys. Not too many people drive right now. It's less traffic right now. That's good. See, it's cleaner in Arto Street, right? So this one, big truck. The highway, mahal, is not clean. Look.
Wow. Highway is federal. Other roads is municipal.
So it's safer to drive in municipal route, right?
Yeah. Highway is bad now. That's probably why this dude is driving like this.
But eventually he will go to the highway. So mo ni siya bay ang kinabuhi sa abroad. Di sad lalim, no? Mas may pang bagyo tubig kay makadrive ka. Look how dirty it is. Dati.
And every 300 meters traffic light. Huh?
Are you still covering tomorrow or no? You're done? So lots of traffic light. If you don't have a good brake or good tire, you can stop. Sometimes when your tire full of snow, you cannot grasp the brakes, you know. If you have small car here, you'll get stuck actually. It is the most wonderful time. Just let it hold the year.
But now we have to follow the shit car here.
It's okay. We're not in a hurry.